Hey, welcome back to the Six Figure Mastermind. Marianne here. Today we're talking about how to use Facebook groups to grow your business, specifically in the coaching and training industry. There's some cool features that you might not know about, so stay tuned. So maybe you're like me and you moderate some groups on Facebook. Maybe you've got some clients that you are sharing with on Facebook. You're constantly streaming content to them. You know, in my advanced sales and marketing course, I teach people about social media. But social media, I mean, it's a big topic and there are constant updates coming out every day. I mean, you hear it all the time, right? You know, Facebook's putting out their new algorithm. Instagram's algorithm just changed. Well, how do we keep up with it all? Well, one of the best ways to keep in touch with your clients and keep giving them constant contact is through a Facebook group. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that in a Facebook group, and you might not even be aware of this, but there are specific different types of Facebook groups that will even allow you to give homework assignments to your clients and be able to walk them through exactly step by step what they need to know. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you my computer screen here, so go ahead and feel free to open up your Facebook. In fact, take a moment, open up Facebook in a separate window, get into your groups so that we can do this kind of tandem side by side together. Okay, so I'm going to go to my six-figure mastermind group right here on Facebook. As you can see, I moderate and I am in charge of a lot of groups, which is why Facebook specifically asked me to be part of a Facebook group that I can get the sneak peeks to the admin. It's a Facebook, see this group right here? Facebook Power Admins US. This is a Facebook group created by the programmers of Facebook. So they kind of give me a very cool sneak peek into all of the new features that are coming out in Facebook groups. So I'm passing those on to you. All right, I'm going to go back to the six-figure mastermind group. When you do this with your groups, go ahead and click on this little cog right here, and you're going to click Edit Group Settings, okay? In this group settings, you're going to change the type of this group. So the group name, you can keep that whatever it is. The group type is what I really want you to pay attention to. So click change right here, and when you do, you're going to see all these different types of groups. There's close friends group, parenting group, support group, team group, whatever. What I want you to do is click on the social learning tab, and you can see underneath it's going to add features to the group. When you do that, it's going to add a feature called units to your group, okay? So when you do that, remember to click save right at the bottom so it saves all your changes. But look back up here, it's going to say Facebook sets the order of posts in the discussion tab and units. You can choose the order and organization of posts in this tab. This is super cool. So I'm kind of going to give you a sneak peek into a group I'm already doing this with. I call it my Affiliate Pathfinder team. Many of you are on that team with me and you're helping us in getting commissions, selling products. It's pretty cool. I'm going to walk you through how this works. So if I'm going to go into my Affiliate Pathfinder team group, you'll see that this group has a different selection on the left-hand bar than you'll see in any other group. It has something called units, and thanks to the Facebook Power Admins group, I was able to implement this in this group. So when you make this group an education style group with the units tab, that means when people come into the group, discussion is not going to be the thing they see first. In a typical group, it would be, but here, first things first, they see units, okay? And check this out. Units are kind of like homework assignments, all right? So if I add a unit into this group, it's going to show up here, and I can tell which units have been completed and which units have not been completed. So if you're a coach in an industry or you're a teacher and you need to put people through a process or maybe graduate them from one level to the next based on homework completion, this is what you want to be using. So I can create a unit at any time. Basically, a unit is going to look like a series of posts. You can add pretty much anything to your unit that you need. So my first unit here is a feature update. It's just kind of explaining to people that this has units. And look, so I can tell which people have completed this unit. It's super, super cool, okay? And again, it's going to exactly tell them what they need to do, what they need to fill out. I'm going to go ahead and show you Unit 2. This is a training guide that I made for people on training them how to grow their team. I've included some links to a form and to a document. I've included some training in form of a Facebook post that I put into the Units tab. Let me show you Unit 3, okay? Unit 3 is a course description based on a product that I'm having my Pathfinder sell. So unit 3, again, I can see all the people that have viewed this unit. I can add to this unit at any time. I've created a document that I've linked to this unit. So people that have gone through this, it'll show me, okay? And this is a video that I've included in the unit. So it's kind of like giving them a digital textbook, and they're completing the chapters of the textbook. I mean, it'd be cool if some college professor said, hey, you know what, you want to take online biology? Join our online biology group, go through the tabs, take your tests online. I mean, this feature of Facebook is totally going to revolutionize how people teach online. Another thing you want to be aware of when you're teaching online is that you need to be making regular posts and giving regular content. So in this group, I do a weekly live video. People know when it happens, people can expect it, and they can hop on the live and get live digital training from yours truly. And when you do that, it gets archived in this videos tab. So if I click on this videos tab, you can see all my past videos in this group. We have so much fun with our Pathfinders. It's a blast. And all of my past videos are in this group so that I can either link it to a unit, or I can say, hey, did you watch the video? And they can comment on the video itself that they've watched it. So the way to use these Facebook groups as far as coaching or teaching goes, if you want to use it like that, you've got to make it a group that involves that units tab. So go back there, click your settings, get the units function, make sure that your customers know to expect that so they're not blindsided. They can go in there and say, hey, guess what? I'm making a new units tab. Make sure everyone gets involved. Follow up with the people that haven't completed the units and get everyone on board and updated in your group. Hey, thanks for watching today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell on your way out so you can get video updates from me on a regular basis. Before you go, if you're interested in working really directly with me and getting your six-figure business off the ground, hit me up in the link in the description and I'll be talking with you real soon.